All aboard! Max the engineer has a huge mission today. Drive the train all the way across the country. Climb aboard, team. Let's roll. Meet the engine, the big, powerful locomotive at the front. It chuffs to life with a great puff of steam, ready to pull the whole train. Toot toot! Max blows the whistle, and a big cloud of white steam puffs up. Everybody, here we go! The giant wheels start to turn, and the train rolls forward down the shiny silver tracks. One by one, the freight cars hook on behind. Colorful boxcars and a big round tanker car, all full of cargo. Watch the couplers clink together and lock tight. That's how train cars join up into one long train. Wait, really? The fastest bullet trains can zoom over 300 miles an hour. That's faster than a race car. Whoa! Up ahead, the signal light. It switches from red to green. Green means go. Ding, ding, ding! The crossing gates come down, and the red lights flash to keep everyone safely back while the train rolls by. Here comes a big tunnel. Max drives the train right into the bright arch tunnel, straight through the hill. And now, over a tall bridge. The train crosses high above a sparkling river far, far below. Max has a quick quiz. Which part is the front of the train? The caboose? The boxcar? It's the engine, of course. Whoosh! Look at the sleek bullet train zoom past. Pointy nose, super fast, just a blur of speed. Down some stairs, there's the subway, a train that runs underground. It slides into the bright station and the doors slide open. In the busy train yard, cars roll together on lots of tracks, coupling up to build brand new trains. And way at the back, the little red caboose, the last car of all, its lantern swinging side to side. Now the big climb. The train chugs up a steep mountain, its steam puffing harder and harder. You can do it! Max wants you to remember, never walk or play on train tracks, and always stop and look at the crossing. Trains are super heavy and can't stop quickly. All tickets, please! The friendly conductor clicks each ticket with a punch. The passenger doors slide open, and everyone climbs aboard, ready for the ride. Next stop, the train glides in and stops smoothly right at the sunny station platform. Time to turn around. A giant turntable slowly spins the whole engine to face the other way. So cool. Max made it all the way across the country, and the cargo is delivered. We did it, team! And here's the whole fleet. Steam engine, freight train, bullet train, and subway. Everyone tooting its whistle. Toot toot! From little toy trains to mighty locomotives, trains carry people and cargo all around our world. Thanks for riding along with Max. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn Big, and I'll see you on the next mission, team.